How to use call forwarding option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here's a click on phone app. Now I click on keyboard. So after I click on keyboard, click on this three dot icon. So after I click on this three dot icon, click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down. Scroll down and now here showing you supplementary services. You will see supplementary services is here. So click on supplementary services. After the process, click on call forwarding. After click on call forwarding, click on always forwarding. So after click on always forward, after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use call forwarding option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.